right, today we're going to be looking at patterns. There's repeating patterns and there are growing patterns. So let's go and look at these real quick. Patterns are everywhere. You can find them out in nature, like on the trees, in the shape of the clouds. You can find some patterns. You find them in art all the time, like when they're making mosaics. You can see them in the patterns that they use throughout the colors that they have on the flowers and the leaves. And of course you can find them in math. Like here's one for like an architect, which is lots of math, that they've used different patterns that they have for building the buildings and where the balconies and the archways are. So patterns are everywhere. So first we're going to look at the repeating patterns. So patterns that repeat, they can be long or they can be short. They're found in such as things as windows on buildings. They can be found in numbers like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So any kind of skip counting is your patterns. They can be found in colors, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, or shapes. If I have like a rectangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentagon, rectangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentagon. So they can be found in anywhere, and they can be as long or as short as whoever was making them wants it to be. You also have growing patterns, and growing patterns is when the value changes or something changes, the color changes, one more something changes, but it's always a consistent change. So for this color pattern, you have blue, so then you have blue orange, so then you have blue orange yellow, then blue orange yellow green. So each time it's changing, so it's adding one more colored star onto its pattern. You also have it in numbers. So the numbers changing, being added to, taken from. So this one we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it's adding 10 more each time. So the rule would be adding 10. All right. Let's go ahead and you guys try these two for home and bring them in tomorrow. So you have a square, a triangle, a pentagon, a square. So then what's going to be the next two shapes in this pattern? And then for number 2, 25, 31, 37, 43. So what are the next two numbers in this pattern? So what's our rule for this one? So when we're looking at the numbers, we always want to find the rule that it's going to be. Okay. The end, the end, the end, the end, the end.